Back to my channel. In today's video, we solve another popular LeetCode string problem. Consecutive character, also known as max power. This problem is simple but extremely important for beginner because it teaches string transversal, consecutive sequence tracking, and pattern recognition, efficient coding techniques. And the best part, we can solve it in just one transversal using OF and time complexity. So let's start. We are given a string S. Our task is to find the maximum length of string containing only one repeating character. Here given an example, input x equal to LeetCode. Here string, a substring A is the length that repeated twice, so output is 2. Then another example given here, as equal to a double b triple c 4d 5e dcba. Here the substring triple e is the length of 5 with character e, then the output is 5. So, what's our idea to solve the question? The idea is straightforward. We transfer the string, then if the current character matches the previous character, we increase the string count. Otherwise, we reset the count to 1. So, at every step, we store the maximum strike found so far. This creates a clean and optimized solution. So, let's start the code. First, we take int maxi equal to 0. After that we take a count variable int count equal to, we start from 1, then we take count as a 1, first to start 1, then increment, so that after that we take a for loop for int I equal to 1, then I less than hash dot size I plus plus. After that we check a condition if si equal to si minus 1, then we increase the count plus plus. If si equal to si minus 1, then increase the count plus plus. Then we find the maximum. So maxi equal to maxi comma max, means here we write count 1. After that else condition we write else the count equal to 1, we return the maxi, so here we return maxi. Now we run the code to test the given example cases. Here the given example test cases are passed. Now let's start how its code work. Here first we initialize a variable int maxi equal to 1 and int count equal to 1. Count tracks the current consecutive stack and the maxi store the longest strike found so far. We initialize with 1 because a single character itself has a power 1. After that we run the for loop. We start from the index 1 because we compare each character with previous one. After that we increase the we add a condition if both characters are same, then increase the strike count and update the maximum answer. So here we increase the count, then update the maximum answer. After that we write else condition if character are different and the previous and a new start, then run the else condition count equal to 0. Now we return the max find to find the max word to unique one. After that we try run the code. So we take an example number 2 here. Here first place we write character one, means here we write character. After the here a count place count, then here we write maximum. So first we take an example as equal to A, BB, triple C, 4D, triple 5E and DCBA. According to our condition, we write that uh, as I equal to as I minus 1. So according to condition y, first we take a character a. So here we write character a, here count is 1. After the real max is 1. After that we take having a character b according to condition as I equal to as minus I, same here is same, so here take the character b. Here character b is count is 2, then maximum is also 2. After that we check the character c. Here according to condition is satisfied in c, so we take the c1. Here c count is 3, so maximum count here is also 3. After that we check d1. D also satisfies the condition, so we write character d 4 times, and here count is d is 4, so our maximum count is d4 4. After that we check for e. So here e is 5 times and e is also satisfies condition, so we write 5 times. So here count also 5 and our maximum also 5. After that we check D, but here condition is not satisfied, we not right, and here C also not satisfied, and B and A also. So our maximum character that consecutive normally is E, and answer our output is 5. So a final answer of this example. Now we submit the code. Here total 333 out of 333 test cases are passed. Here, the complexity of this question means transfer the string only once. So, time complexity is OFN and the space complexity, we only use a few integer variables. So, our space complexity is OF1. This problem is important because it tests string handling, consecutive pattern tracking, and loop optimization, edge cases understanding. These concepts are heavily used in sliding window problem, dynamic problem, and pattern matching question. This is already the optimal solution because single transfer const extra space and clean and readable logic. No extra data structure are required. So, comment below which string problem should I solve next and rate this problem from 1 to 10. And that's how we solve consecutive character or maximum power in C++ using an optimized approach. If this video helped you, like the video, comment your favorite part, subscribe for more DSA and LeetCode solution. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.